Okay, so one option that there would be if you are not doing a self-install and you need, but you still need service, we can actually send the equipment and the fiber optic through window in most cases. The first thing you would need to do is before the tech gets there or when the tech gets there, you'll need to remove the screen so that way the technician will have access to the window, and then the technician is going to come in and he's going to first come in and he's going to put a piece of foam on the bottom and a piece of foam on the top, and that's what we're going to use to protect the fiber optic from the window so it won't crush it. So my technician will come in. So after the technician puts the foam on the window, he's going to hand the equipment through to you. It's already going to have the fiber optic cable and the power cable plugged into it. You're just going to bring it into your premise and set it wherever you need it, on a desk, and then you'll just provide power to the equipment, and that will be all you need to do. Once you have the installation complete, you have the fiber pinched down between the two pieces of foam. The fiber is it's going to be fine. There's not enough pressure on it to break or damage. If you have a piece of wood, you can put it here for security reasons to keep somebody from getting into the window. There's also various locks and latches and bars that you can purchase off of Amazon or probably even big box stores locally to secure the window closed. So this is the a type of window security latch that's available. You can get them at big box stores or order them from Amazon. It's just a simple clamping system. It's got some little teeth on there and a lever to add tension once you have it on there. So you just put it around the edge of the inside of the window frame. And you're going to screw it down until you get it pretty tight. And once you reach a point where it's tight, you will just push the lever down, and that's going to hold it in place so that way if somebody tries to open the window, it's going to be secured.